Welcome guys, and in this tutorial I will show you how to make origami airplane. This is a very nice model, and as you can see that from the front side it looks like a shark. Oh no, I would say a whale, yeah. So origami whale airplane, I think that's a good name for this plane. Okay, so for this tutorial, for this airplane, you need origami A4 sheets, rectangular paper, or you can either use A4 sheets or colored paper, anything you like. So, to start this, the first step is to take this line and line it with this line. In other words, fold into half. Open it up, and now from here into the middle. And after this, from this side, same thing. Turn over the paper, and now from this line side will align with this line over here. And also from this side. After you're done, the next thing is to fold into half. And your model will look like this. The next step is to take this point and align with the point here. And we will make an kind of like, this is one step from origami balloon. I will link how to make origami balloon in the description, and you can watch from there. After you commit this step, the next step is to turn it around, and your model will look like this. From here, like this, and also from here, like this. And you'll make a point. After you commit this step, now turn it into half, and we'll make a crease from this point all the way till here. And these will be our flaps for our plane. Also from this side. We are forming a whale kind of shape. Open the flaps, and we will, and this fold from till this point to this point, we will tuck it upwards to make the tail of the plane, and your plane is ready.